This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the exact Google account you want to store images in because uploads link directly to that account. Next, open the Google Photos app or go to Photos. Google.com in your browser. This is where uploads are managed. Allow necessary permissions for storage and photos access so uploads work without interruption. Once done, locate the upload or backup options in the menu. Make sure you're on the intended Wi-Fi network if you set uploads to Wi-Fi only. You now choose the photos and folders to send to Google Photos. On desktop, click Upload, then Computer and select Files. On mobile, tap the plus or backup settings and pick Folders or Albums. Decide the backup quality. Original preserves full resolution, while Storage Saver reduces size to save space. Choose based on your storage quota. Once selections are made, start the upload. You'll see progress indicators. If you're backing up many files, leave the device plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. You finish by verifying that uploads completed successfully. Check the progress bar and view Recent or Library to confirm new items appear. Once uploaded, organize photos into albums, add descriptions or faces, and adjust sharing permissions if needed. If something goes wrong, try the obvious fixes first. Retry the upload, clear the app cache, and ensure you have sufficient Google storage space. If uploads still fail, sign out and back in or restart the device. These simple steps often resolve permission and sync glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.